Commerce is the trial to predict the future. Hey guys, if you are new in this channel, then like it and subscribe it, because all the information about the commerce you will get from this channel. So let's begin. Today I brought important topic, that is share certificate. To whom share certificate is issued. But before understanding that, we should understand what is the meaning of share, who is shareholder of the company, and what is share capital. And afterwards we will see what is share certificate. So guys, let's begin. Guys, I am preparing this video for you people so that you can continue your study in this critical time of corona, and those students who are at village, they can also continue their study. So that's why I am bringing this type of small video for you people, so that your study will not be disturbed because of this critical situation. So let's begin. What is share certificate? So first we will see what is shares. So shares means portion of ownership in a company. So it can also say that shares is the smallest divisible part of the capital of a company. Now let's see what is a share capital. So share capital refers to the funds that a company raises from selling shares to investors. We can also say that the capital raised by the company by issue of shares is called as share capital. Now guys, let's see who is shareholder. So shareholder means anyone who owns at least one share in a business or company is a shareholder. So shareholder may be an individual or a business or a businessman or an institution. Anyone can purchase share of another company. Shares are divided into two parts, equity shares and preference shares. I have already prepared one video on the shares. You can see the link in the description box about the shareholder. In the coming video, I will prepare what is issued capital, what is paid up capital, what is subscribed capital. All these things I will bring in the coming video in detail. Now guys, let's see what is share certificate. Before understanding share certificate, take an example. When we purchase any goods from shop, at that time shopkeeper gives us bill of that goods. It means that is proof that we have purchased that product from that shop and from that market. So in the bill we can see name of the shop, name of the goods, receipt number, date of purchase, amount of purchase of goods, sign of shopkeeper, etc. are given. In the same way, share certificates are also issued by the company to its shareholders. We will see what is share certificate. When a company issues shares in the market, shareholders who purchases that share are issued a share certificate. It is a written document. Another name of share certificate is stock certificate. So guys, as from last 3-4 videos, I am bringing some important questions for you people to increase your knowledge. So today I brought 2 questions for you. So first one question is here: in India, liberalization and privatization began from. So here you have to say when liberalization and privatization began in India. My second question is here: the situation where there is only one buyer is called as. So you have to say that buyer what name is given, and mostly this type of questions comes in the exams. That's why I am bringing for you. So come to our topic about the share certificate. So in India, share certificate contains the following details. Here we will see what are the important points that should be in the share certificate. So let's see. First one is your name of the issuing firm or company. So which company is issuing share certificate, that should be described. And next one, corporate identification number should be also in that certificate. And afterwards, full registered address of the company, it means that company where it is situated, that should be in the certificate. And afterwards, full legal name of the shareholder, it means who is shareholder of the company, and all the details about the shareholder should be in that certificate. And afterwards, members folio number is also important, that should be in that certificate. And number of shares purchased by the investor in the company, that is very important, that should be also mentioned in the certificate. And afterwards, amount of money spent by investor to purchase the shares is also mentioned in the certificate. It means if he has purchased 10,000 shares of rupees 10 each, that should be also mentioned in the certificate. And afterwards, contact number of the owner of the certificate should be also mentioned in that. So in the case of emergency, company can contact their shareholder. Now I brought one important blank share certificate as a proof how share certificate shows. So here is example of that share certificate. So guys, this is time to check our answer. So my first question was, in India, liberalization, privatization began from. So guys, in India, privatization, liberalization and globalization was began in the year 1991. And my second question was, the situation where there is only one buyer is called as. So that situation is called as monopsony. This question is from economics. So guys, if you like this, then like it and subscribe it, and also share it with your friends. And you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and link is given in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.